By the end of this video, you will understand how to use GoHighLevel to follow up, get more leads, and automate all different types of processes in service businesses. I have over 10 plus clients on GoHighLevel that I manage today. Some of these clients doing over $1 million a year, and some of these clients even just starting out. I know this platform looks complicated. Don't try to do everything at once. I will show you what matters the most, and also try to play around and get used to it, because that's the best way to learn. So if you went ahead and decided to purchase the GoHighLevel $97 a month plan, you're gonna have access to 3 subdomains and the agency level. Right now, we're in the agency view. You're gonna be able to see a lot of different statistics on here, and then you're gonna be able to come down to sub accounts. Now, when you come down to sub accounts, you're gonna be able to go up here and click create a sub account. You can select any of these snapshot templates, home services, car detailing. Once you click select and continue, it's gonna open this up. You're gonna be able to actually select a location. So let's just put Toronto, and then it's gonna come over here and you're just gonna be able to put all your business information, first name, last name, email, and then add the sub account. Once this is done, it's gonna be created for you and you're gonna have your first sub account. Go back to the agency level, go to sub accounts, click the 3 dots and go over to calendar settings and turn this setting on. It's going to enable the service booking calendar. The main way that we're going to get leads to actually come into GoHighLevel is from our forms. Now, on every website, there's probably some type of contact form that you already have out there, but we can actually press create a form and make an entire form just to embed on our website. And whenever these forms are filled out, they go directly into our CRM and they start getting pushed into the pipeline, the automations start firing, right? So we have a simple form right here, and then you can come over here to integrate, and you can copy the embed code and put it onto your website, and then you'll be able to have the leads just popping into the CRMs. Now, what you can also do is you can come over to integrations and you can connect your Facebook page, so all the leads that either texted you organically or even signed up on one of your instant forms automatically pops into your CRM. Come over to the opportunities tab, and this is where you're going to track pretty much everything. This is an example of a funnel in use, fully active with a car detailer. You can see all the new leads that come in from Facebook or the Google or the website. They're all going right here. If he doesn't get in contact with them, they go to nurture. If they're warm because they contacted them and they called them or something, they go here. If they booked them, they go here. If they finish the booking, they send them a review request so they can rack up Google reviews. And then you could also put them in no-show or cancel if any shit happens. As you can see right here, I can just grab them and I can just move them through the stages. I can just grab their name and put them wherever I want. You come over to pipelines up here. You can press create the pipeline. You can edit your current ones if it gives you the default ones, and you can set them up. And your pipeline is probably going to look really similar to this. Instead of book detail, it can be booked quote. If you want somebody to set up your entire CRM for you perfectly with proven clients and templates, you can book a call with me personally in the description. We can just have a quick call and see if you want help. Now, if we go over to calendars and we click calendar settings, you guys are going to see the service calendar. We'll quickly press view. And then you can see right here, they can book different types of services. Next, boom, 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 boom. If you want to watch a video on how to fully customize this, you can check it out on the top right. Or even if you just want a normal quote calendar that they can book in a time for a quote, that works as well. I recommend making a calendar. It can be called a quote calendar, whatever you want to name it. You can set up the availability so you're only quoting at certain times. How long your quotes usually are. You can make the quotes paid for, so they have to pay you to book it. You can set up all the reminders over here. So you can either have them book the service, pay online, have it all done if you have like a low ticket service. But if you're high ticket and you need quoting, you can just set up a meeting link right here. And then what you can do is you can copy the embed code again, and you can make the forms redirect to this. Now, the main thing you're going to want to do on all of your websites and anywhere that you have any of your information is get contacts. CRM stands for customer relationship management. If you don't have their contact information, you can't have a relationship with them. So no matter what you do, you should always be pushing them to fill the contact, because once you have their number, you can convert them from any stage. And it's just important that the information is all going into one place. Also, in the subdomain, you can come over to payments, and this is where you can actually send out your estimates and your invoices, as well as your documents and your contracts for your service business. So if you have like a big paint job and you have to go out and send a contract, you can click right here, documents and contracts. You can click create new. You can build a whole new document just like Google Docs. I actually recommend making a template. I'm going to show you what that looks like really quick. So if you just hover it, you'll see the template option, and then you'll have all the templates that you actually created. You can start working on it. You can click new template, start working on the template. You can upload existing templates. You come right here where it says the 3 dots, and you can click use the template, and then you can send the estimate template with all the pre-built information here. So this is one of my painting clients, and there's a lot of nice pre-built pictures, imaging, and a lot of words and stuff that follow through. You can come through it, you can edit it depending on each client. All the clients on the left where it says recipients, you can select the client, come here to all invoices, and you click new, and you click new invoice. You can go ahead and select the person. So we'll just click a random lead that obviously I had, and then we'll click added product. Let's just say your product is labor. You can add the terms and conditions. You can add the late fees. You can include tipping, and then you can just click up here, send. And then when you send it, this green button, they can actually click and pay you if you have Stripe connected or even Square. And then boom, you can also have, again, the email templates for invoices. Here's another one that we made. Thanks, your invoice is ready. You can click right here, view invoice. The best part about this is you can come to the settings, reminder settings, and then you can see we have a reminder 5 days before the invoice is about to expire. Invoice outstanding, we can go ahead and click preview. And then look, you're gonna be able to see another nice email template saying it's due in 5 days. So I recommend playing around with this, making the templates. It will make your business look really good. So now, if you guys come over to contacts, you're going to be able to see all the people that are signing up from our website, from our Facebook, anywhere possible. Now you can import contacts if you wanted to. Click the import, click next. It's going to walk you through it. Very, very simple. Now what we do with these contacts, we have tons of automations that pushes them into the pipeline. So if they ended up booking the quote or booking the service, it can just automatically pop them into book detail. Track what's failing. So if you have way too many of these leads in the new lead center, that means you guys aren't outreaching them properly. If you guys have too many in the nurture, maybe your nurture isn't good enough. If you're not sending out reviews after they're booked, boom, it's going to show you again. You're missing out on reviews. And then if you have way too many no-shows, maybe you need to put a deposit on the booking, right? This is very important. So next we're going to jump into the automations. If you guys want to go watch a full tutorial of how I set up all my automations, you guys can go there. But we're going to show you guys quickly and simply how to make automations. So you're going to go over here into the top right, and it's going to say create a workflow. You can press start from scratch right there. And you can set up a new lead workflow with me. So we're going to name it new lead workflow. Add trigger. You can type in Facebook lead form submitted. Boom. And then you can make it the page. So any pages, whatever you want to do. So we'll do my page. And then the form is, so any different form you want. It might look a little bit different for you if you're in the basic mode, but I'm in the advanced mode. And then you're going to be able to see a little plus, and you can click it right there. And then you can look up create, and then you're going to see create opportunity. Perfect. We can look up the pipeline, right? So we have new lead right here. Boom. Let's click save, and you have your first automation. This is like playing with Legos, guys. It can get very advanced. There's a lot of different stuff you can do. I recommend experimenting, trying out some automations, but the automations have a lot of different options. You can have them automatically send messages right here, send SMS. You do have to be A2P compliant to do this, by the way. Or no matter what stage you are on your CRM, you can just have them send emails. Then every single time a lead pops in from the Facebook lead form, you can just have it send them an email. You guys are probably sending a lot of the same messages all the time. So just make a very nice one, tailored to a script, whatever. High response rate is very important. Put it right here and have it automatically send out to the leads. So as soon as they sign the form, boom, create opportunity, booked pipeline, new lead. Now it's very important that you set up the automations for review requests after jobs. It's something that a lot of guys miss out on, and now it's as simple as just dragging a person here to there. Especially for service businesses, a lot of people are just looking up reviews after they see your ads, right? They're just looking it up. They're going to see your competition if you don't pop up high enough, you don't have reviews. So it's very important for you guys to actually make the most of every single client that you actually do, every single client that pops in, every single contact. The CRM is going to make the most of everything. It's worth getting used to. But now I'll just give a quick extra run through, come over to conversations, very clean, tons of messages here, Facebook, Instagram, everything, all the different types of calendars. The contact page, super important. You can have this pop up. The tags, this is what you can do. Click, 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 add a tag, trigger automations. It's beautiful. Opportunities, all the different pipelines. And then you have the AI Studio. This is a new feature. This is actually where we made the website for Coastal Shine. He edits his website all the time, just like it's ChatGPT. He makes his pop-ups and everything on here. Super awesome. GoHighLevel keeps creating new updates that are really good. Come over to AI agents. You're going to be able to see tons of different AI agents. I don't recommend getting into this right away. It's pretty complicated. At the end of the day, the strongest one is the conversation AI, and this AI can message just like ChatGPT back to your customers. Come over to marketing. You're going to be able to see all the email templates that you can create with ChatGPT as well. Make them very clean, make your business look beautiful. Come over to Social Planner. You can connect all of these, schedule videos from here. That is the full tutorial for service businesses, how to use GoHighLevel. There's tons of other videos on my page if you guys want certain information about Facebook ads, other detailed GoHighLevel tutorials. And if you want someone to build this entire CRM setup for you with proven templates in the past, book a call with me in the description. I'll do that exactly for you. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments. If you guys want to make a certain video, leave it in the comments as well. I'll get back to you guys in the next one.